Welcome to House of Accounts. In this video we are going to see the departmental accounting from department accounts. If you like the video, you can subscribe House of Accounts for there. For more videos you can go to the playlist. So let's start the question. This question is not much difference, but here okay, so let's see. A firm had two departments, X and Y. X and Y. The firm has two departments, X and Y. Y department, which has a manufacturing department, receive goods from X department. Okay, Y is a manufacturing department and it receives goods from X department because X as its raw material. Department X as its raw material. Okay. Department X supplied the said goods to Y at cost price. From the following particular, you are required to prepare a departmental trading and profit loss account for the year ended 31st December 2005. So we no need to prepare the balance sheet because only we have to prepare only trading and profit loss account. Opening stock is given, purchase, sales, closing stock also given. So expense is not given, maybe in adjustment. Depreciation of the building is to be provided at 20% per annum, and the value of building occupied by both the department was 1,05,000. And how we have to divide is given here. Department X occupying 2/3 portion and Y occupying the rest. 2/3 means overall 3 portion, 2 portion occupying department X, 1 portion occupying department Y. Goods transfer from X to department Y. How much? 2,50,000. So receiving department is Y and sending department is X. Manufacturing expenses of Y, only is Y manufacturing expenses. Selling expenses amounted 15,000 to be apportioned on the basis of sale of respective department. Okay, so we have to divide these selling expenses on sale on the basis of sales ratio. General expenses of the business as a whole means these general expenses belongs to whole business expenses, means the business has more departments. So overall expenses is 58,000. So we need not to divide these 58,000 because we have to, it won't come in any trading or profit and loss account. We have to, because it is whole business, so we have to deduct out of the ledger. Okay, now let's start departmental account. Trading and profit loss account of A as on 31st, that is March, 1st January, okay, 31st December 2005, maybe. Okay, here 31st December 2005. Okay, now okay, change the status to will be here and here also 2. Okay, all right. First take opening stock 2,50,000 and here see 75,000. Purchase 10 lakh and 20,000. So right here 75,000 and purchase here how much? 10 lakhs, and here for Y 20,000. See, 10 lakhs purchase and 20,000 for Y. Sales 12 lakhs and 3 lakhs. So write in sales column 12 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Now closing stock 1,50,000 and 50,000. 1,50,000 and 50,000 is a closing stock. Now go for another expenses. Depreciation of building is to be provided 20% per annum of the 20% per annum, and value of building 1,05,000 and divided 2/3 and 1/3, 2/3 and 1/3. So let's start. Working note here First, depreciation. Okay, depreciation value of building is 1 lakh into 20%. Okay, the amount will be, let's calculate. Okay, so 1,05,000 into 20%, 21,000. How much? 21,000. Okay, so this 21,000 we have to divide here. 21,000 into 2 divided by 3 is equal to, okay, same as 21,000 into 1 divided by 3 is equal to 20. It's dividing by 3 means if you divide 3, 21,000, 7,000, 7,000, 14,000, then 21,000. So per portion it will, we will get 7,000. Per 2 means 14,000, and here 7,000. You can calculate on calculator also. Here see, 21,000 into 2 divided by 3, 14,000. Okay, so depreciation building right here, depreciation on building is 14,000, and here 7,000. Okay, alright, 7,000. Now goods transfer from department X to Y, how much? 2,50,000. Transfer from X to Y, so right here means X is sending, so right, transfer to department Y. So right here, transfer to Y means who's transferring? Department X, so write in department X. Okay, here is nil. Here transfer from Y, transfer, sorry, from X, transfer from department X. Income X completely it is transferring department, so write nil here, and here write how much? 2,50,000. Okay, now the next entry will be manufacturing expenses. See, manufacturing expenses of department Y, 10,000. So right here, manufacturing expenses for department Y, X is nil and Y is 10,000. Okay, alright, 10,000. Now let's go. Selling expenses 15,000, apportioned on the basis of sales of respective department. Sales how much? 12 lakhs. Sales C, 12 lakhs and 3 lakhs, that is 15,000. So right here 12 lakhs sales is to 3 lakh. Okay, so write off common zeros. 5 common zeros here, here also 5 common zeros, and now it will become 12 into 3. So now 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, so 4 into 1. Okay, overall 5. So divide selling expenses 15,000 into 2 divided by 3 is equal to, here 15,000 into 1 divided by 3 is equal to, okay, so right, if divide 15,000 divide in 3 means definitely it become 10,000 will be here, but sorry, by mistake it's not 2, it's 4 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. 4 by 5, 1 by 5 means you have to calculate on calculator. See, 15,000 into 4 divided by 5 means 12,000. So 12,000 for x means the remaining 3 will be for y. So transfer this also. Here 12,000, here 3,000. Okay, so is there any entry remaining? General expenses. We will do it later. General expenses. Now see here, just transfer, calculate this one. 12 lakh, 12 lakh, 14 lakh, 15 lakh, overall 16 lakhs. So write 16 lakhs. Here 3 lakh 50,000. Okay, now gross profits. First, okay, from these 16 lakhs minus 2 lakh 50. Okay, from X department deduct debit sides 2 lakh 50,000 minus 10 lakhs. Overall 3 lakh 50,000 will be remaining gross profit. Okay, write 16 lakh. Okay, here let's calculate. 3 lakh 50,000 minus 75,000 minus 20,000 minus 2 lakh 50,000. 5,000 will be gross profit. So gross profit how much? 5,000. So right here 3 lakh 50,000. So transfer gross profit to here. Okay, these are the gross profits. Okay, so transfer this to here. 3 lakh 50,000 minus 5,000. Okay, so now right here 3 lakh 50,000. See here, in income debit side is only 5,000, but expenses are more. So expenses will be more means there is a chances for gross loss 100%. So first write profit. For net profit, calculate next profit of X department. 3 lakh 50,000 minus 12,000 minus 14,000 means 32,400. How much we are getting? 32,400. Okay, this overall we have to calculate first. 10,000, 17,000, 20,000. So overall 20,000. This one 3 lakh 50,000. So debit is 20,000, income is only 5,000. So gross loss by gross loss. Okay, so here in department, here is completely nil, or else you can, okay, here loss is 15,000. Okay, take loss in red mark because it is gross loss. Okay, so the total overall will be 20,000. So now calculate the net profit. So these are the net profit, but now calculate the net profit of the business. Okay, so net profit of the business means calculation of net profit of business. Okay, so department A how much? 32,400 minus 15,000 gross loss. Okay, minus 58,000 general expenses. So right here first department A plus department B okay, department A plus department B minus general expenses is equal to, okay, so right here is equal to, okay, see 32,400 is the profit, 32,400, 3,50,000, wait a minute, it's 3,24,000 or 32, so right here 3,24,000, okay, here is a completely null, there is no profit, so right 3,24,000, so right here 3,24,000 minus 15,000 is a gross loss, minus 58,000, so overall 2,51,000 is a profit of the business, 2,51,000, okay, the overall profit of the business is 2,51,000, how much, 2,50,000, so department A plus department B minus general expenses, okay, so so if you like okay, this you can write this one also, department A plus department B minus general expenses, so 3,24,000 minus 15,000 minus 58,000, overall 2,51,000, see 3,24,000, 15,000 is a loss and 2,51,000 is a net profit of the business, okay, yeah, so this question, okay, if this is the way to solve this question, it has little changes in this question, not much, but it has some changes which you have to remember, okay, if you want more videos you can go to the playlist for House of Accounts, playlist of House of Accounts.